Luxurious beige exteriors create warmth. Large windows fill interiors with natural light. Manicured gardens enhance curb appeal. Stone pathways guide visitors toward the welcoming entrance. Modern minimalist homes feature sleek gray exteriors. Large glass windows connect indoor spaces with outdoor patios. Contemporary furniture complements the clean architectural lines beautifully. Red-orange exteriors make bold visual statements. Large windows allow sunlight to brighten interior rooms. Vibrant gardens with colorful flowers warmly frame the entrance. Minimalist houses surrounded by tall trees blend seamlessly with nature. Expansive glass windows offer uninterrupted views of landscaped gardens outside. Coral-colored homes showcase modern design and large windows. Wooden decks with white chairs invite relaxation beneath lush palm trees. Modern black exteriors create striking contemporary appeal. Large windows brighten interior spaces. Backyards feature flower beds and comfortable patios. Dark blue exteriors look stunning at dusk. Large windows reflect the soft evening glow. Wooden decks and manicured gardens create peaceful outdoor spaces. Modern blue houses include large windows and welcoming wooden porches. Well-kept green lawns enhance overall curb appeal. Bright pink houses with white trim feature wraparound porches. Decorative columns add character. Manicured gardens complement the elegant structure. Minimalist beige stucco homes feature large windows and curved driveways. Lush greenery and vibrant flower beds enhance natural beauty. Classic white colonial houses display black shutters and green lawns. Flower beds and front porches create inviting atmospheres. Modern beige two-story homes feature large windows and green lawns. Well-kept green lawns enhance overall curb appeal. Vibrant pink two-story houses feature balconies and large windows. Palm trees in sunny coastal neighborhoods create tropical charm. Pastel pink homes offer large windows and cozy patios. Striped couches and potted plants create soft, welcoming vibes. Terracotta Mediterranean houses feature arched windows and lush gardens. Serene patios filled with vibrant flowers provide peaceful relaxation.